So I got the Black Diamond Storm headlamp, and it performed dutifully in my recent Backyard Ultra. I swapped the batteries a few times through the race, and I think I did it in because a few days later I was opening it up and the little latch snapped off. That latch always felt like a fail point, and I was not surprised it broke, but I was disappointed. To their credit, Black Diamond addressed it quickly. I submitted a warranty request on their website. I basically attached a picture of the damage and then a receipt. Luckily, I got it at REI, and I'm a member there, so I was able to pull it up on their website. Within 2 days, they got back to me saying they were going to send me a replacement part, essentially basically the entire back of the headlamp. And I received it yesterday, so it took 9 days total for them to rectify the situation. So it's supposed to be an easy fix. Let's see. And so the latch attached here just broke off. Sad. I always felt a little flimsy and awkward to use, and I was afraid this would happen. And yep. Thankfully, they sent me this replacement part. Now I just got to attach it. First we got to remove the headband, pulling it through the little horizontal gap in the middle of the back. Right. It said to hold it at a 90-degree angle, hold the back, and rotate that piece away from you. There you go. All right. And that one. Okay. Okay. Piece of cake. Snaps right in. There we go. And a new back piece, and it locks in place. All right. I still don't like that snapping mechanism. It does feel like something that's going to break, but at least they made right quick. All right, put the headband back on and we're good to go. Get in there. And there you. All right, scoop of chocolate, scoop of vanilla, all set. All right, if you got a Black Diamond Storm and your latch broke, reach out to Black Diamond. Hopefully you can get a replacement part too. Thanks for watching this short one. We'll see you next time.